Hi everyone, welcome to Steve's Garage. In a previous video I unboxed and reviewed this FITCAMX Dash Cam. It's a 4K dash cam, it installs in minutes and has an OEM appearance. This video is specifically for installing on a 2017 to 2022 Volvo XC90. I'm not sure how the other SPA Volvos differ with the wiring harnesses and the sensor covers, so this might be helpful for those, but it won't be an exact fit. If you do use it for a different SPA Volvo, feel free to leave a comment and let us all know. Full disclosure, FITCAMX sent me this Dash Cam 2 review. I do get to keep the camera, but I wasn't paid for the review, and I'm free to share my honest opinion. If you are interested in purchasing one, I've got an affiliate link in the description. I'll earn a small commission from your purchase, and it won't cost you anything extra. I've also got a coupon code Steve's Garage to get you an extra 8% off. The only thing you need for this job is the small trim tool that they supply you with. Right around where the mirror arm goes into the sensor cover, you'll see a small raised piece. You can pop that off. Once you do, you'll see that green vertical connector, and that's what we're going to disconnect. The harness gets spliced between the two connectors because you're tapping the rearview mirror for power. Rather than using ugly wire taps, you have a nice clean harness, and that results in a cleaner, safer install. Once all the green plugs are connected, take all the wiring and put it up into the sensor cover. Make sure you have the circular pigtail out, that way you can plug that into the camera and install the camera onto the sensor cover. If it doesn't seem like it's going on, make sure that there's proper clearance around the wiring and that the vertical area behind the mirror is lining up correctly. And that's all there is to it. The camera is installed. When you turn the car on, it'll start recording. I really love how this thing looks OEM. From the inside and outside, it looks like it's meant to be there and installed from Volvo. I haven't had any issues with this camera, but I was reading that some people have an issue with the camera not turning off when the car turns off. If that's the case, it seems like resetting it does the trick, but I would just keep an eye on it the first couple nights that you turn the car off. You don't want to come out to a dead battery. If you are interested in purchasing one, please use my affiliate link. It works for any camera, not just one for the Volvo. I've also got that discount code Steve's Garage for an extra 8% off, so be sure to use that too. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave any questions or comments below. Thanks so much for watching.